On 31st July 2020, the film Loot Case released on Disney Plus Hotstar starring Kunal Khemu. It is a Hindi comedy drama film directed by Rajesh Krishnan and produced by Foxstar Studios and Soda Films. It stars Kunal Khemu as Nandan Kumar in the lead, along with Rasika Duggal as Nandan's wife Lata, Aryan Prajapati as Nandan's son Ayush, Gajraj Rao as MLA Patil, Vijay Raz as Bala Rathod, Ranveer Shore as Inspector Madhav Kolte, Shashi Ranjan as Abdul, Sumit Nijhawan as Omar, Nilesh Divekar as Rajan, one of Bala's aide, Akash Dabhade as Graduate, another one of Bala's aide, Manoj Sharma as Faizu, Vijay Nikam as Vasant Seth, the newspaper press owner and Nandan's boss, among others. The film was initially scheduled to be released on 10th April 2020 but was indefinitely postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic after eventually releasing on Disney Plus Hotstar. Nandan is a middle-class guy working in a printing press named Saudhan Times as a junior associate in machine maintenance. He lives in a chawl named Azad Nagar along with his wife Lata and son Ayush. Lata keeps complaining to him about their poor financial condition and taunts about their destiny. Meanwhile, MLA Patil arranges for 10 crores rupees in cash to send to a minister along with a file containing confidential papers of their illegal land affairs and instructs his men Abdul and Omar to do the job. Bala Rathod, a gangster, is also on the hunt for the suitcase that contains cash, and when a shootout happens between Bala Rathod's and MLA Patil's men, they have to keep the suitcase outside a public urinal and run away from the police that has arrived. Meanwhile, Nandan finds the suitcase filled with cash while passing by and finds his financial problems solved with the sudden opportunity that has arisen. Their paths cross with a suitcase filled with cash and its chase. MLA Patil gets Inspector Kolte to find the suitcase unofficially due to the black money involved, and that is when the plot takes a drastic turn with the comical turn of events in the chase of the suitcase. The film is really astonishing. The storytelling, along with the gripping humor by Kapil Sawant, is mind blowing. The film has several amazing sequences. The comic timing is absolutely perfect. There are also some short but funny mentions of Kolte Patil developers in Inspector Kolte and MLA Patil, which not many would understand. The direction of Rajesh Krishnan is wonderful. The casting by Anmol Ahuja and Abhishek Banerjee is also very good. The actors have performed really well and were very well suited for their roles. The cast is very talented and capable, with the cast of Kunal Khemu, Ranveer Shore, Rasika Duggal, Gajraj Rao, and Vijay Raz. Audience is absolutely assured about the execution of the film. Sanu John Verghese' cinematography is really amazing in this one. The changes in the sequences are superbly managed. The writing also is sheer perfection. There are some pinpoint and comical dialogues like when Inspector Kolte tells the rickshawala not to leave town, on which he says, "वैसे भी हम लोगों को बोरीली के आगे जाना allowed नहीं है." It's hilarious. Also, MLA Patil's character has a wonderful way of getting the work done without saying much and also giving indirect warnings in a hilarious way. Bala Rathod's character's obsession with Nat Geo and insisting for its subscription to his men Rajan and Graduate every time is extremely comical. His mentions of the various animals in the terms of Nat Geo will definitely crack you up. Everything is intelligently managed. It has made the narrative absolutely to the point, and the screenplay has also turned out to be perfect. This has everything in it: a talented cast, powerful and capable performances, a great story, great humor, awesome comic thriller, dramatic sequences, you name it, and this has got it all. Sometimes it's hard to find a perfect film that can entertain tremendously and also is a complete artwork full of mind blowing performances. But with Loot Case, we have got one for sure. Kunal Khemu as Nandan Kumar is astonishing. His acting prowess cannot be written down. He needs more opportunities as he is one of the very talented young actors that our country has right now. With this, he has produced a display of another acting brilliance. His comic timing and acting intellect is really superb. Rasika Duggal is slowly upping her game into the industry. She is definitely one of the finest actors around. Her body language and charisma for the role of Lata was mind-blowing. Aryan Prajapati as Nandan's son Ayush is really convincing. We have seen him in several commercials too. His portrayal also looks natural. Gajraj Rao as MLA Patil has worked wonders. He is a superb actor that has proved his mettle in recent times with roles in Shubh Mangal Zyada Saudhan, Badhai Ho, and other projects. His characterization, dialogue delivery, comic timing, acting rhythm, Everything is absolutely powerful. Vijay Ras is one of those actors who can fill a life into even the dead scripts. Here, the script is really amazing, and having Vijay Ras's performance in it as Bala Rathod has made it like a cherry on the cake. Whenever he comes on screen, audience's first reaction comes out in laughter, remembering his earlier performances. He is a gem of an actor who should be involved in several projects in the industry. Ranveer Shore as Inspector Madhav Kolte is amazing. He is definitely a go-to actor for any quality filmmaker. His caricature provides a certainty of proven acting brilliance into his roles in the films. In this film also he has acted brilliantly. His characterization and demeanor for the role was apt. It had every ounce of perfection in it. All the other supporting cast had a specific role to play and everything has come to a perfect execution. Job well done. The film is a masterclass. Every performance has come out so perfectly, creating its own world in the story that has come out absolutely wonderful. Go watch it. They don't make it like this more often. An absolute no brainer in terms of guaranteed entertainment and wonderful performances due to its perfect execution. So, how do you like the film? Have you watched it already? Do let me know in the comments. Also, suggest which content you would like to be reviewed or discussed. If you like this video, make sure you press the like button down below. Share the video with your friends and family. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon to get all the notifications from this channel for fresh content. Stay tuned for more such sassy and wacky entertainment. Thank you, signing out.